5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Gentlemen, we'll start with your perspective, then very simple side steps, move to the right, left, left, stay in the frame all the time. Now, shifting your weight to the right, rotate your body clockwise, leading the partner to the right side. Bend your knee slightly and use your left hand to gently push the partner away, shifting your weight to the left leg and grabbing the lady's hand with your right hand, as always in the middle of the distance between the two of you. Now shifting your weight to the right leg, use the right hand to pull the partner, this time leading her toward you. Then lead the hand back and to the right in an arc, keep holding the lady's hand all the time, thanks to this she will wrap in your arm. Aim to connect your pelvises. And gentlemen, give your left hand to the partner in front of you with your palm facing up to grab her right hand. Gently pull the lady toward you and hold her firmly, then taking her with you go into the lean position, shifting your weight to the left leg, bending your left knee. You can look at her at this point. Then push off the left leg and go back to the vertical position, let go with your left hand and lead the right hand away from you to the right, then backward in an arc to rotate the lady clockwise. Stiffen your hands slightly in this position to help the lady stop the rotation. Then gently push and symmetrically move away from each other. Free hand goes to the side with a circular motion. At this point, gentlemen, move behind the lady, taking 3 steps and rotating clockwise. You should move along a more or less straight line. With the first step, use your right hand to lead the partner in front of you, then lead the hand to your right and release. This move should help a bit to propel your and the lady's rotation. Step onto the right leg, rotate. Much smaller step onto the left leg. Continue the rotation to almost face the audience. Give your left hand to the partner, keep your left knee bent, actively push off the left leg and shift your weight to the right leg, getting into the opening symmetrically. Then symmetrically move toward each other, join your free hands as if giving each other a 5 and move away from each other again. Repeat the rotation behind the lady, this time counterclockwise, starting with the left leg. And left, smaller step with the right leg, keep your knee bent, give your hand to the partner and take a step to the left, actively getting into the opening. Okay, now the lady's perspective. We're after the basic step of waltz. Ladies, follow the partner during the side steps. Move to your left, right, left, right. Then take a step with the left leg slightly around the partner, turning your right side toward the audience. Bend your knee slightly, step with the right leg into the opening. Make sure to leave your left hand on the left side and slide it into the man's hand. Now wrap in his arm, rotating counterclockwise, taking 3 steps. Left leg. Lead the right hand above the left hand, it's very important. Continue the rotation. Right leg, left, connect your feet, end up close to the partner and place your right hand in his hand. Now during the lean, engage your core muscles and keep your entire body in a straight line position. Lean on the partner with your hips more than with your upper body. We're going into the pose, keep your body stiff as during the plank exercise, you can look at the partner. Out of the pose, now rotate clockwise, step with the right leg, very small step with the left leg, bend your knee and go into the opening symmetrically. Now move in front of the man, rotating counterclockwise, step with the left leg, right leg slightly around him, place your right hand in his hand, bend your knee and go into the opening. Shift your weight toward each other and away from each other. Move in front of the man again, step with the right leg, left slightly around him, place the left hand in his hand, bend your knee and go into the opening again. Remember to use your legs really actively, even while pushing and pulling each other. The main job of shifting your weight always has to be done by your legs. Okay, let's count this part. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.